So you're going to need some cocoa powder, vanilla extract, milk, powdered sugar, 1 stick of cream cheese, and 1.5 cups of unsalted butter. So you're gonna go ahead and beat the cream cheese and the butter first until it's fluffy. And you wanna make sure that they are room temperature. Go ahead and scrape the sides of the bowl, and then you're going to continue to mix. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and sift in the cocoa powder. Make sure you sift it so that there's no clumps. And you're going to mix it again until incorporated. So now we're going to go ahead and sift in 8 cups of powdered sugar. You're going to do this 1 cup at a time, alternating with milk. You're going to add about 1/4 cup of milk, but I just eyeball it for the texture that I want. A 2-pound bag of powdered sugar is about 8 cups, so I just add it all. So go ahead and sift it again. Add a splash of milk. And then mix. You're gonna do this until all of the powdered sugar is in here and you have your nice buttercream consistency, and it'll be done. I'm actually gonna sift all of the powdered sugar into one bowl just so that it's easier to like put it in there. So add a little bit more. I'm literally just adding like the smallest splash just to help it mix together, because in the end I can go ahead and add as much milk as I want for the texture. Dude, I have a mess here. Okay, this is the last of the powdered sugar. Alright, so go ahead and scrape this off, scrape down the bowl, and you're going to give it one more good mix just to make sure that everything is incorporated, and then this is finished. It tastes incredible. I didn't add all the powdered sugar. There's like a tiny bit left. It's really up to your taste, because if you don't add a lot, then it's bitter. But then once you get closer to 8 cups, it gets nice and sweet, but not like too sweet. I don't know. I love chocolate buttercream. This is my favorite. I could eat this off of a spoon. Just like this. Okay. So I scraped down the sides. I'm going to go ahead and add in a bit more milk because I am going to be frosting cupcakes this time and I want it to be a bit smoother. You might want to add a little bit more milk too for frosting cakes because this is a little stiff. Sorry, I won't focus. I don't know if I added a 1/4 cup of milk yet, but that's usually the amount. I just eyeball it, so I'm just going to add more. Alright, so I just finished mixing it. This is what it looks like. Why is the lighting so weird? There we go. So it's nice and fluffy chocolate buttercream. I'll go ahead and show you when I pipe my cupcake so you can see how it pipes and how it holds. Since it's a buttercream, it does get firm, at least on cakes. I've never used it for cupcakes. I've always used it for cakes, and it firms up perfectly for your edges and all of that. Go ahead and give this one a try. It is so delicious, trust me. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how the frosting works, or pipes. So I have it here in this bag. This frosting is so good. Even on the vanilla cupcakes that I made, this frosting is so good. Ah, there's a bubble. No, that's not my friend. So like that, so beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and film the rest for my Instagram, so I'm gonna go and flip the camera the other way. But if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and then again, like I always say, comment down below if you tried it and if you liked it or if you didn't like it, and then go ahead and let me know what else you guys would like to see. All right, bye guys.